Kitchen. I'm Lindsay, and tonight we're making one of my favorites, sausage and pepper pasta. It's delicious. We're gonna make it quick and it's very budget friendly. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna dice an onion, and I have 2 green bell peppers. This is 1 medium onion. Just do a rough coarse chop. I've got 2 green bell peppers because these are my favorite. You can use yellow, you can use red, whatever you have. We like nice big chunks of pepper, and I'm using 2. I've used 1 before, but every time I use 1, I always want more pepper. So we're using ground pork sausage. We're gonna season it Italian style because they didn't have any Italian sausage at my grocery store. But you could also use ground beef or ground turkey. It's delicious either way. Let's take this to the stove. We're gonna start off by cooking our Italian sausage. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I got 16 ounces of ground pork sausage. So we're gonna cook this up. We're gonna get it nice and golden, and then we're gonna add our veggies. Now let's add our onion and our 2 bell peppers. And I got some minced garlic. Don't judge me. We went to our grocery store and I saw fresh garlic that was paper white. And it looked really weird to me. I've never seen paper white garlic, so I skipped it. And I have a couple of the jars of garlic for backup, so I'm gonna use a spoonful. If you have fresh garlic, I'd use 4 or 5 cloves. Boop. For our seasonings, we're gonna do a couple pinches of salt, a couple pinches of black pepper. I'm gonna use some red pepper flake. You could use as much or as little as you want. Joel and I like a lot. And then we're gonna do about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. We have our pasta water boiling. Don't forget to salt it. I got 4 cups of rigatoni right now. Joel and I are really hungry. We usually do about 2.5 cups, but even if we have some leftovers, that's fine. But I'm gonna do 4 today. 7 to 8 minutes until al dente. When it reaches al dente, we're gonna cook it in the sauce. Now I'm gonna add a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. You could use diced or crushed, either way. I'm gonna add that. Wash your spatula it had raw pork or get a new one. Let's mix that all together. So the pasta's done, but really quick, I'm gonna add some parm to the sauce. Stir that up. Let's add the pasta. I like to cook the pasta in the sauce for a couple minutes. It really absorbs the flavor of the sausage and the peppers. Now I'm just gonna taste it, make sure I don't need any more seasoning. It's really good. I'm gonna go ahead and serve it. Dinner time. Can't go wrong with sausage and peppers. I love it.
Yeah, the sausage tastes so rich. Like, one of my other favorite pastas is we do steak and green peppers. But steak is great. It doesn't have flavor like this sausage does.
No, it's really good. It cooked up in like a half an hour. I mean, it's
so
really
fast.
easy.
Yeah.
It's kind of like, I guess you could call it like a cheater bolognese almost. I mean,
That's what I thought. When Lindsay made me a bolognese, like a couple days later, she made me this, and I was like, why did we do all that work? This tastes so good. So, sometimes you don't need to do the 8-hour meal.
No.
You can do a 30-minute meal and get a really close to that level of flavor.
Yeah.
But can't go wrong with pasta.
Nope, try it.
Subscribe to that blackface.
Subscribe if you want to see more recipes like this, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.